Tagalog-speaking parent is having a conversation with Andy, a community center manager, about the storytelling program at the local center. Dialogue begins now. Hi, my name is Andy. Welcome to the community center. How can I help you today?
Magandang araw po, Andy. Narinig ko po na may storytelling class kayo para sa mga bata. Nandito po ako para malaman pa ang tungkol dito.
You are talking about the storytelling program for children. It is a class we are about to start. We had good responses from local parents and many would like to enroll their kids for this program.
Opo, nakita ko po ang inyong patalasta sa paaralan ng aking anak na lalaki. Sa palagay ko po ay tama ito para sa aking anak na babae. 4 na taong gulang po siya at kailangan niya ng mas maraming aktibidad.
The program was really popular at the town library, so we are planning to do this program here too. We hope it will be successful.
Sana po ay maging matagumpay din ito. Ang anak ko po ay 3 beses sa isang linggo nasa playgroup, pero mahirap po humanap ng mapaglilibangan niya sa natitirang 2 araw. Anong araw po ginaganap ang programa?
It is due to start on the first Friday of February until the end of the school term, and we will take a break during the school holidays.
Tugmang-tugma po sa anak ko iyan. Libre po siya tuwing Miyerkules at Biyernes. Kaya hindi po niya kailangang laktawan ang playgroup o ang storytelling class.
Here is the program booklet. It has all the details, such as time, day, and location. I will put your name on the list now.
Maraming salamat po, Andy.
That's true. We want to make this available for everyone. If this goes well, we will run the program for each school year from now on.
Sana po ay maging matagumpay ito. Inaabangan ko po ang unang klase ng aking anak. Sigurado po akong masaya siya rito.